How hard was this to do?
This was just easier.
It was my
The way
first.
you explained it.
It's gorgeous.
It was my first time, doing foam.
Doing foam, really? Spin it around. It's spectacular.
I love it.
It's as good as they get. How long have you been designing flowers?
A minute?
A minute?
Yeah, a minute.
Yeah, this is
Yeah, I
top
just
New York
wanted-
City design. If I saw this in a window in New York City, I'd say, oh, who did they hire? That's a hotsy flower designer.
Wow.
Very pretty. It's got all the elements of that organic garden vibe everybody wants these days. Plus, it's enough formality.
It's multifaceted. Like, I can do this for the
Oh, yeah, a million reasons.
commercial. Yeah, the office somewhere, somebody's birthday. I could just do this. Yeah.
It's very good. You scored a home run.
Yeah,
Spin it around. You need a little more flowers right in that hole right
Right
there.
there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Keep spinning though
Like
first.
this?
Keep spinning. No, not green flowers. Right there. Stop. There it is. Make this side look like the other side. Beautiful, girls.
Thank you.
Here we have mother and daughter. Mom scored a home run. Mom, spin yours around. Fabulous. How many days have you been designing flowers? How many days?
Years.
Two?
No.
Yeah?
So much longer than that.
Beautiful. Flower School 101. How hard was this to do on a 1 to 10? 10 being really hard.
Not too hard.
Yeah, not too hard.
Just
And they're
overthinking is a
gorgeous.
problem.